Okay, good day everybody. This is Mr. John from Flickr Brains. Okay, I'll log into my Google AdSense account now as usual. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any problem you face when loading and you want me to address it. You understand? You can comment below down. I'll look at your problem and we'll solve it. Okay, so let's log into my account. all right so you can see my dashboard. So far you've seen that that balance what we made last month. You can see it over here, that balance what we made last month. You know that this method is actually working, and we have not stopped. We're still working this month. We started from first, we start continue loading. We're still working. We're not going to stop on this account. You can see for last 7 days and today so far. You can see for today so far, you see what we've made today so far. You can see for yesterday, you see what I've made yesterday. You can see for this month, you know that we're not playing here. We not come to play. Serious work. You can see page views. You can see clicks. You can see our page views and clicks are very high. Normally, if you check our previous video, you always see that our page views and clicks are always high. Even our impressions, our RPM. Let's show that this method is working, is legit and neat. So neat. It's not like all these pity method you get online that you, after working, your CTR will be reaching like 40. It's not all those method. This one is something you take your time and do. By the way, I teach two different methods, manual and automation, but mostly what I use on my accounts are automation method because of I don't have time to sit down on the PC to do them by myself. You understand? So you can see here from tons of research I've made, we have found out the best way to load these things. It's no longer you guys. Those of you that are using Facebook arbitrage, you're spending a lot of money there. You understand? This is not Facebook arbitrage. This is pure loading. With this method, you're going to get 100% guarantee that your CPC will increase. You will not face any problem like ad limits. You will not face any problem like ban. All these little problems you normally face there and on, you're not going to face it. If you have been following my videos on this channel, you know that every month I've been from January. I posted all my earnings from January. Small I'll be growing this account. If you have been following my video, you observe. You see small I'll be growing this account. You understand? So if you want to learn how I do this method, if you want to understand this from the basics to the pro version, you click on the description box. Let me show you guys my YouTube channel when this money was not on balance, so you see for yourself that it's working. Okay, let's go to the video. This is my last video, I think 2 days ago, 30th. Sorry, let me fast forward this. Okay, all right, I've gotten a perfect one. You can see it here, 29.74k. That was this month. It was on this month that time, but now look at it. So stop playing. If you are using anyhow method and you have not been making this kind of results, stop playing. Click on the description box below. Contact me. We'll discuss one-on-one and I'll teach you. Good day and have a nice day, everybody.